Electric radiators are a popular choice for many people because they are affordable and easy to use. One of the best electric radiant heaters on the market is the Dmwd Heater for bathroom heater 2000W. This heater is perfect for small to medium sized bathrooms and has a sleek, contemporary design. It also has a number of features that make it safe and easy to use, including an automatic shut-off timer, overheating protection, and a child safety lock. The heater also has 3 heat settings, so you can choose the one that is right for your needs. Look no further than the Dmwd Heater. This electric heater is perfect for bathrooms. With a rating of 220 volts. It's easy to install and features a radiant heating element that provides quick, even heat. The fan heater also has an adjustable thermostat so you can control the temperature to your liking. Order your Dmwd heater today and enjoy years of reliable service. Electric radiant heaters are a great way to keep your bathroom warm and toasty, especially during the colder months. There are a few different models on the market, but the one that seems to be gaining the most popularity is the Dmwd Heater. This heater is rated for use at 50 Hz and has a power rating of 2000W. It's small enough to fit under most bathroom sinks, and it comes with a built-in thermostat so you can easily control the temperature. Radiant heaters are great for people who suffer from allergies or asthma because they don't produce any allergens or fumes like some other types of heaters do. They're also very energy efficient, which means they won't break the bank on your energy bill. Electric radiant heaters are the perfect solution for a quick and efficient bathroom warm-up. The Dmwd Heater is a great choice with a timer range of 0.5-12 hours, waterproof rating of IPX4, and product size of 55 by 22 by 13 centimeters. This heater is perfect for any bathroom and can be used for quick morning showers or long relaxing baths. When the weather starts to cool down, it can be difficult to get warm in your bathroom. A Dmwd heater for bathroom can help to keep you warm while you are getting ready for the day or taking a relaxing bath. These heaters are designed specifically for bathrooms, and they come in a variety of sizes to fit nearly any space. There are 2 types of Dmwd heaters for bathrooms: those that blow warm air and those that blow normal temperature air. Both types of heaters have a fan that circulates the air around the room, which helps to keep you warm. The difference is that the warm air heater has a heating element that warms the air before it is blown into the room, while the normal temperature heater does not have a heating element.
And finally, we have a gift for you that is tricks to reduce your electricity bill by at least 75%. And the way to complete energy independence, get rid of the monopoly of big energy. You will never have to pay for electricity. Method: amplify electricity to make output power greater than input power. See link in description. Thanks for watching.